hey guard, this is what your makeup's gonna look like, so I'm gonna teach you how to do that. There's Jackie. This is her helpful addition to this intro. Yeah, so I'm gonna teach you how to do makeup. Okay, so step one is foundation and concealer. It's technically optional because Jackie didn't buy you foundation and concealer, so she can't make you wear it. But also she would like you to be wearing foundation and concealer, so like, please wear it if you have it, please. Make sure that you cover your eyelids and right under your eye in foundation and concealer because you are going to need so much of it. The palette kind of stains a little bit, so just, you know, lots of foundation and concealer. So everyone either is gonna get or has already gotten this Care Bear palette. It had the colors we want, so you're getting the Care Bear palette. We're gonna use the pink, the blue, the purple, the yellow. So, yeah. Hey, little note, because Jackie likes to make things difficult.
You offered.
So if you remember this absolute monstrosity, oh god. Jesus
You're doing so great.
Christ. This absolute monstrosity from Raw, I think, that gets everywhere and it's terrible and it's the worst. We're using it again because the yellow in the Care Bear palette sucks. So it should look like this. You're just gonna, literally what I told you to do with the Care Bear yellow, do the same with this. This is just more yellow, and more glittery, and it's better. So yeah, literally do the same thing, just use that yellow.
Abby, you don't have it. Use Kayla's.
Yeah, that. Okay, so first thing is you're going to take Secret Bear. Also, when I say pink, I am always referring to Secret Bear, not Birthday Bear. You're gonna take Secret Bear. Gonna make sure you have a clean brush. And take that. Put it not on your actual eyelid, but right above it. So like on, you know, your crease or whatever it's called. Right there, kind of pack it on. Yeah, try to avoid getting it on your actual eyelid. So, like there-ish. Next color you're gonna take is your purple, or Harmony Bear. And you're gonna put it right here. Kind of blend it into the pink as you go. And also as you go, you should be blending sort of up into your eyebrow. So blend like literally all the way up into your eyebrow. This should be as aggressively dramatic as humanly possible. I'm gonna look in my actual mirror for a second because I'm struggling. Alright, so yeah, blend it all the way up like this. Literally into your eyebrow as dramatically as possible. So next color you're gonna take is blue, or Bedtime Bear. Gonna put it right here. And you're just gonna blend purple into blue. Okay, so for the next part, you're gonna take one of these, and you are going to use this makeup that I mentioned earlier from Raw, just because the Care Bear yellow, like I said, isn't good. It's gonna just kind of go everywhere. So you're gonna put it kind of like we've been, like on your crease and going up to your eyebrow, but you're also gonna put it on the inner corner. And don't worry if it kind of falls like to here, like right under your eye, because that's kind of where you want it to end up anyway. We'll do a touch-up later. If it's not there now, it's fine, but yeah. So just kind of do that. Just a lot of gold. Cool. So that should be the top of your eye. and then just work on blending and making everything pretty. Cool, next step will be your actual eyelid. So I take this or a brush, I really don't care. Doesn't matter, but take something, get some pink on it. And next to the yellow, that should already be on your eyelid, and just kind of like following where the blue is above it, just dab some pink on your eye. Next, just on your eyelid, don't go higher than that. Like, it shouldn't really blend into the blue at all, it should just kind of make a line there. So yeah, then you're gonna take purple, and I don't know, kind of blend the purple a little, so it's not exactly following those lines, I guess. Take the blue, and you get something like this. So yeah, maybe bring the blue in a little, bring the purple in a little. And bring the pink in a lot. Yeah. It's a little closer to what it should look like, so. Okay, and when you're trying to blend the yellow into the pink, literally just take a little bit of gold on your brush and just tap it on the yellow and on the pink. Kind of drag a little bit, but not a lot, from the yellow to the pink. And just kind of, you know. Blend it sort of like that. I'm gonna add a little more pink just because I want a little more pink there, but that's, you know, the general idea. Yeah. So then you're gonna use this eyeliner from Raw. You should still have this liner. I still have mine. It doesn't open. It is dried shut, so I'm gonna use my own eyeliner. You all should be using this. So yeah. And your next step is to literally just do winged eyeliner. Just try to make it like not thin, but don't make it too thick that you can't see the colors on your eyelid. So just, yeah, do a normal winged liner. Okay, so once the wing is done, you're gonna take the yellow makeup from Raw. So not the yellow Care Bear makeup that you see me using in the video, but the yellow circle of gold makeup from Raw that I showed earlier. Make sure there's yellow, like, under your eye. Like, not necessarily, like, not on your waterline, but, like, you know, like, kind of right under your eye. I guess close as you could get it without shoving makeup into your eyeball. Then you're gonna take pink, put some pink next to it. Sorry, we're gonna. So weird angle. Really the best I could do. And then purple. So sorry. I'm like trying to make this visible. Then blue. And I'm just gonna blend all that there. Kind of blend the blue up under your wing of your eyeliner. Blend the pink down. Add some purple. I don't know, you don't have to. Just go nuts. Just so much color, you know? Grab a bigger brush. This. And just blend stuff out, kinda. Like this should look, I don't know why I made that face. But this should look kind of absolutely over the top crazy. So yeah. Okay. Once all that's done, you're gonna pop on mascara. Okay. Once your mascara is on, this is what your eye should look like, so yeah. And then just do the same on this eye. Like that. So if you're gonna do anything with your eyebrows, do that now, and then next step. Cool, now you're gonna take this and get the lid off of it, and you're just gonna take it and put probably like that. This is your warning now that this also has to go in your lips, so if you don't want to put it on your face and then your lips, I don't know, go like that, put it on your finger first. I don't care what you do, this is how I'm gonna do it. So yeah, and then just aggressively blend this to the best of your ability. You kind of have to like drag it. Also try to make sure there's not foundation on whatever beauty blender you're using. And just blend it out. So make sure you're getting up here and up here too. So just, you know, add more, blend out, blend up. Yeah, so you should get like here up. It should all be really aggressively red. I'm adding more just because the lighting that I'm using in here, I feel like you can't see it super well, but yeah. So that's what it should look like. I changed the lighting so you guys could see it better, but like this is what it should look like. Super red, super dramatic. It maybe shouldn't go down this far. I'll clean that up, but like, yeah, really aggressive blush. Okay, so you're gonna do the same aggressive amount of blush on this side, and then you're gonna just take a little bit, like right here on your nose, blend that out, just because I feel like it's weird if the rest of here and here is red and then your nose isn't at all. So yeah, not like a lot on your nose, but just like, just a little, just so it doesn't look weird, I guess. There's kind of visible amount on your nose and blending up. Okay, we're gonna come back to that because we need to add highlight, but we're gonna take this real quick, and you could wipe it off if you want because there's gonna be like foundation and stuff on it. And then you're gonna put it on your lips. Cool, and you're on your last step. So highlight, use the highlight from Raw. Mine is Absolutely Destroyed. It's literally dollar store highlight, but it's my favorite thing in the world. I love it. So just highlight, kind of following where the blush is. On both sides. You know, a lot of highlight. It's the 80s. You need to be able to see the highlight from the stands. You know how the cheerleaders are like so aggressive with their highlight? Do that. Match the cheerleaders' highlight. So yeah. And then take smaller brushes, and gonna have you take a brush like this. And then you're just gonna highlight like kind of where your eyebrow, I don't know if like arches is the word, but also don't pay attention to how ugly my eyebrows are shaped. But yeah, just kind of put highlight under your eyebrow. And then we're gonna take literally just a tiny brush and right here. So just highlight Cupid's bow a little bit. And that's about it. Okay, so that should be it. This is what your makeup should look like, so do that. Here's Jackie playing Animal Crossing. Yeah.
And now here's Amanda being an idiot.
Ah, ow. I hit my knee. It's not supposed to be purple on the end. Wait, no. I'm a fool. I can't see very well because I'm working with an iPhone 8 camera, which is terrible. I stubbed my toe while I was talking, and I was like, it's fine, I can keep going, I can keep doing makeup. No, I can't. Ow. So everything's all nice and pretty and not ugly.
Oh,
Now you're gonna take Dip Pro. Hello. Found it. And get rid of some of that gold. Ah! Hate that.